There are many things to like about this Omron blood pressure monitor. I've been using it for about 2 months now, and the first thing I really like about it is that it is super easy to use. It just has this one big button at the front, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it in just a moment. The display is also really easy to read. It's big and the numbers have high contrast. Another major benefit of this particular model, this is the Omron M2 Intelli IT, is that you can connect it with an app. Now you can use it perfectly well without the app, but if you choose to connect it with Bluetooth with your smartphone, it will transfer the readings to your smartphone, and you can even transfer them into the Omron cloud service if you want. And if you like, you can even sync it with services like Google Fit so that all your health data is going to be in one place. Another great benefit is that the box comes with everything that you need. Before we move to the unboxing, let me just say one thing about this packaging. I bought this directly from Amazon, and I'm so happy that they don't use excessive packing material. There's no styrofoam in there, there's no bubble wrap, there's just this crumpled up piece of paper that's going to keep the box from moving around inside the shipping box. Really well done, Amazon, on eco-friendly packaging. I do have a direct link to Amazon in the description below the video. Here are the main components of this Omron M2 Intelli IT blood pressure monitor. First, there's the device itself, and you connect the hose to the hole on the side here. At the other end of that hose is the cuff that you attach to your arm. I'm also very happy to see that the box comes with batteries included. You also get this storage bag as well as 2 manuals. The first manual is about safety instructions, and the second manual is more details about how to use the device. Now let's have a quick demo of the entire blood pressure measuring process. First thing I want to do is I want to grab my sleeve here and put it on my upper arm. Remove my t-shirt right there. And then I want to make sure that there is approximately 1 to 2 centimeters of distance between the inner elbow joint and the edge of the cuff. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it nice and tight like that, but not over tight. What my doctor told me is that there should still be there should still be space to put 1 finger in between the skin and the cuff. So that now feels really, really secure. This is a little audio sample. This is a normal speaking voice, and the microphone on my camera is picking up. So we're going to be able to compare my speaking voice to the noise that the machine makes. Now, before I press the start button, I'm going to make sure that my back is upright, resting comfortably. I'm also making sure that my arm is resting on the table here. Now I'm ready to press the start button. Now I feel the cuff relaxing here, and I get my measurement numbers right here on the display, including the 2 blood pressure measures and also the pulse. The instruction manual says that you're not supposed to speak while the device is active, so that's why I stayed silent during the measurement. I've been very pleased with this device. I've taken about 4 measurements each day, and the batteries that came in the box are still working perfectly even after 2 months. The syncing to the phone, the Omron Cloud, and to Google Fit also work perfectly. If I had to nitpick on one thing that I don't really like, is that the storage and transportation bag isn't particularly stylish. But overall, this blood pressure monitor is exactly what I was looking for. I'd be very happy to recommend it. Learn more with the link in the description below the video. Another product that I recently reviewed is this liquids pouch for air travel. Click or tap the screen right here to watch my full video about the Osprey liquids bag. Thank you very much for watching 2-minute reviews.